Right, now take the body off. I have to lift it back up first. I've got to have some sort of crane, really. Yeah, that does it. There she blows. Woo. Alright, sorry about that. Right, you can see lovely nuts and bolts all the way down. And it doesn't look like they even bothered to paint these panels when they put them on. Amazing. But there we go, they obviously didn't. And you saw the lovely tabs around there. Such a super job. Anyway, I haven't looked at the rest of this. Not too bad actually, does it? No idea what sort of chassis this is. Probably a cheap one, judging by the fact that it's not very like the original. Those should be rounded off. Anyway, let's get stuck in. Hey Russ fans, I haven't really given you an update on the 2CV that I was working on, so let's take a look at it now. You remember that old red thing that was really rusty? This is what she looks like.
It did make me laugh because one of your family members said, "You better not get any bad news in public because you can take your clothes off."
So we've got Radio 4 in the background as usual. So yeah, the body shell that it had, which was a red one, as you might recall, was completely shot through. So I got rid of it. I managed to acquire a second-hand shell that was pretty good and only needed a few minor repairs. Well, I say minor, I mean it needed a new toe board, and it needed new sills and floors and a new seat box at the back. So, but that was obviously a lot less work than the red one was. So that's what I've been doing. So I haven't bothered to film the whole thing because it was all pretty much the same process as it was with the lovely Greenie. So yeah, she's done now. So new wheels and tyres, of course. Nice new paint and dolly stripes. That's just a seat cover that I've got on it to stop me getting it filthy. But new seat covers inside. Got all the electrics working eventually. That was a bit of a fun and games. Proper job under here. So I've taken this apart and done barrels and pistons because they were completely shot, and you know, redone all of the brakes and put a new clutch in it and what have you, and all the other stuff that you kind of expect of a job done properly, including new bumpers and what have you. So yeah, she's looking pretty good. Yeah, new wings front and back. The boot lid was repairable, so kept that. So you know, that's all nice, all looking good in here. Also had to restuff the seats as well, so that was all fun. Yeah, I think that's kind of it really. So she's looking really good. Yeah, that's that project pretty much done. So this one's going to be for sale very shortly. Then we can move on to the next project, which is
helpful to actually say now.
Looking like this at the moment. Okay, bye for now, see you all soon. Bye.